What's up, YouTube? And I am back with another video. It is your girl Amaria, in case you don't know. And this is
that gamer guy, Woody, you know what I'm saying? I'm on channel 2, got to knock on the wood, you know what I'm saying? Y'all trying to see what these games about, you know what I'm saying? See what that gamer life like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
so before you go subscribe to his channels, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Go check out that prank I did on him. Actually, both pranks I did on him. When you gonna get me back? Alright, whatever. Yeah, alright. Moving on.
Your turn.
So, and this is if you listen to me. Because if you don't listen to me, you should know one of these. Because this is a 3 out of 1 question. It's 3 possible answers and you guys gotta get one.
Okay.
Alright. What is one of the celebrity posters I used to own when I was younger?
I want to say Justin Timberlake.
I mean, he was cute going on him.
But I don't remember who it was. Dang. It was so corny.
My family members know.
It was some corny dude.
My grandma know. Mama, put it in the comments. Let me stop.
Dang, who was it? Dang. No, I remember the dude's name.
Bro, 5 seconds is
nah,
gone.
alright, we're not doing that.
Alright, it's okay.
Bro.
It's alright. First challenge, y'all. First challenge bonus. This is the first challenge on the channel.
Alright, so dang. It was somebody. It was a pop singer. It was a pop singer. It was a pop singer. Wasn't it?
I said there's 3 possible answers.
Okay, go ahead. What's the 3 possible answers?
No, I said, there's 3 possible answers. You just gotta get one. So if you think it's a pop singer, just give me one. Or you don't want to get it wrong. I mean, regardless if you get it wrong, you get smacked. So. And I'm getting the other cheek.
It's a pop singer, like, you know who I'm talking about, the dude.
Cause this is like, I can't even get no hints. Like, this is like, it's gonna blow me. Who?
That dude, he's on that.
LaCorda, Corbin Blue?
He's on that.
The black dude?
No, he's on that. I just sung it for you.
No.
Oh.
No.
Okay, I don't. Dang, what's it? No, I know.
If you don't get this, I'm gonna be blown.
It's a pop singer. It's a like a 2000.
So there's 3 possible answers. I had 3 different posters.
Okay. Justin Bieber was one of them.
All right, so you got it.
Oh, it was Justin Bieber. And I was okay. So this all right.
You took
I was thinking Justin Bieber, but the thing is, right?
You see how long it took it to say Justin Bieber?
No, but listen to this.
Who was 13 and didn't have a Justin Bieber?
Okay, but listen to this though, right? So,
what?
She would listen to old Justin Bieber or whatever. But now I'm listening to the new Justin Bieber because like his stuff that he put out.
I used to listen to
now
Justin Bieber.
Hot.
I know, I get that. It's just, you know what I'm saying, like after so many years, you know what I'm saying, I just get, you know what I'm saying, yeah, the new music is good, so I listen to it a couple times, but it's not like, oh yeah, let me turn on Justin Bieber radio on Pandora every time I listen to music. Like, that's not gonna happen.
So
like,
every
that's
time,
that's what he does. Like,
no, I don't play him all the time. If y'all know what Pandora is, like
it shows a mix of similar artists to Justin Bieber. But that is his go-to. His thing on his Pandora, it says Justin Bieber playlist.
He's just hitting it right now, like, you know what I'm saying. And then she always complaining, "Oh, stop playing it." Like, but that was your so-called, like, you know what I'm saying?
Listen, back in the day, baby. Back in the day, baby. Because you ain't get the other 2. So the other 2 was Taylor Lautner.
Okay.
Werewolf Gang. You know what I'm saying? My Twilight fans out there.
He wasn't even a singer.
I didn't say he was a singer. I said a poster. I said celebrity. Celebrity. Keyword.
Okay, good.
And then Jonas Brothers.
All of them?
Yeah. I ain't going, you know what I'm saying? The Jonas Brothers, they good, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't think it hurt, but nobody, you know what I'm saying? Nick and Jonas, you know what I'm saying? It was my main 2, you know what I'm saying? Kevin, you know, he aight, you know what I'm saying? He, you know what I'm saying? He ain't my type, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, y'all, and for y'all that's listening, don't revoke our black card. Look, I listen to music for the beat, and Secondly,
Can't nobody revoke my
for the
first of all.
message, okay, for the message and how it makes you feel and how basically like the cleverness of it, like you know, what I'm saying, I'll be deep into it like that, like all that little, all the other stuff, you know, what I'm saying, it's cool, you know.
I don't listen to trap music, y'all.
Yeah, I don't like it either. Like
It's too like I don't like it.
It's just too,
I don't like it.
It's
I listen to my little R&B hits,
like
my little
it's
2000s,
contradicting.
my Mary J. Blige, my Elvana. You know what I'm saying?
just-
And I chill. And my Sam Smith. Yeah, and my Adele. Yeah. So guys, moving on.
Black Eyed Peas over here.
Said Black Eyed Peas?
Like Black Eyed. I used to listen to like Black Eyed Peas.
Oh, that's the
Yeah.
only bean he'll eat.
Yeah, I don't like beans. I don't like
You don't
beans. Only beans I like is baked beans and Black Eyed Peas. Yeah, all right, let's get to the next question.
Alright, you got another one?
My
Cause
turn?
I'm out. I think. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that was it for my questions. Oh wait, no, I got one more. Whose turn was it? Because you.
I think it was. I think it's my turn.
I just said something about. Or what? Oh yeah, just the Bieber thing. Yeah, the poster. So
Yeah.
it's your turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. All right. So.
Listen, y'all. What time is it?
So. How tall am I?
5'7".
You just looked at it.
I did, and I swear to God, cause I'm 5'6", and he only an inch taller than me. But he swear to God, he like a foot taller than me. His head probably a foot taller than me.
Cut it out. Cut it out. Like I said though, but hey,
But
look.
nah.
Dang, I might have got taller though. You know?
5'7".
Yeah, we gotta remeasure, you know.
5'7".
Alright, so yeah.
You gonna step on your tiptoes. Ain't nothing wrong. Listen, 5'7" is not short.
I know.
But all my people trying to cover short people. You know what I'm saying?
It's not 5'7" is not short.
It's not short at all.
It's like
People be meeting me, they say that I look they're like, dang, you short. You're shorter than I thought. Let me see.
hey, you look short though. You do. You look. Does she look short? She look short. Like
I mean, 'cause I look like a little ass kid. Though. Like, that's not my fault.
but she yeah, but you know. I mean ballet still, you know. Regardless.
Number 5. You ready? Did we meet in 20? No. Did we have our first word exchange in 2015 or 2016? Or neither. First word exchange, as in we said hello,
Like a person?
no. It does not have to be in person.
Oh, okay.
But I ain't giving you no hints.
No, first it was before 2015. Well, it was either 2015 or before that.
You gotta give me one, baby.
Dang.
Can I smoke?
I'm not good with. Hey, look, I'm not good with. Nah, look. So 2015, I'll say. Yeah, it's 2015.
No, okay, so I'm not gonna, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna get him for that because it was 2014, November 2014. You remember, because so-and-so added us to the Kick group chat in November of 2014.
Yeah.
And then we first met in January of 2015. Went on our first date in February of 2015.
All right. So
Yeah, I gotta hit him now because it's like, dang, like that was a lot. That was what you think?
All right, so
You
how about
deserve
this?
it.
All right, look, how about this? We let them decide because we'll tell y'all the story about how we met, and then if y'all feel like I should get the smack for that, then you know what I'm saying, we'll make it a whole big thing, a whole nother video on that.
I smack you hard.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want, I guess. If, yeah, that's not y'all. Okay, good. 8 billion subscribers, then we'll do it.
You fuck wildin'.
It's only 7 billion all out there.
Hello, no.
So that means
first off, ain't no subscribers. We need likes, y'all. Cause if you don't like it, who like it? If you dislike it, let me know too. You know what I'm saying? Haters gonna hate. So yeah. Get about 100 likes. 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? So simple. Well,
yeah.
100 likes.
Okay.
So, yeah. Story on how we met.
It is actually really good, y'all. Like, it's some twists and turns. We might have like a uncut version.
We omitted some names because y'all ain't about to get me.
Uncut version and the cut version, you know, for family members, you know. And
Oh yeah, so
and
like the first one we come out with.
We shouldn't.
You think we shouldn't even tell them this right now? We should just do it.
Right.
Just do it like Nike.
Nah, we should tell them.
You want to tell them?
Yeah.
Alright.
Keep it real, y'all.
So, we're going to be doing the explicit, you know what I'm saying, uncut raw version first.
Nah.
Why?
Because your family out here.
Listen, baby. I'm gonna put it. My grandma wanted to see the T too.
Nah, like I said, cause
let me start
nah.
Yeah, nah. Probably don't want to watch.
We gotta do the cut version first, and then we're gonna do the uncut after that.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I can roll with it.
Yeah. All right.
So that is it for this video today. I want the seafood boil mukbang, you know what I'm saying, we got coming up. Stay tuned for that in a few days. That's probably gonna come for the other video. Stay tuned for that for real, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to eat. Who likes a crab leg? Might make a couple options. And I'm actually making it. I ain't ordering my food. You know what I'm saying? Some people, you know what I'm saying, do that little Uber Eats. I'm gonna Uber Eat it in my kitchen, you know, after I make it, so. Catch you guys later. Thank you for staying tuned.
Dang, her face all clean.
Baby, because this is what happens when you know your mans. Yes. So, alright guys. I'll see you later.